The maritime industry today needs nuclear power, and they know it, and they're investing in it.
When I look at the nexus with maritime, this has been clear. The strategic imperative of being able to be leaders in this domain is a national security imperative.
We can get this done. We can do this, right? We just have to commit ourselves to doing it. We've done it before, and we know a lot more about it now.
The thing that I found extraordinary about today is how much energy and actually agreement there was in the room. We just need to get on with it.
I really believe that this is something that we can get done and that we will get done.
We're demonstrating, we're deploying, we're fixing the regulatory issues at a pace we have never done before.
Really great event today. I'm so glad to see lots of familiar faces and also lots of new faces. I'm really pleased by the progress I think this meeting has made in terms of connecting with those essential relationships.
What we're proposing to do, propulsion, is really unlocking an entirely new asset class. Core Power is positioned to deliver, and we're ready to deliver.
The momentum is building, and it's rolling downhill. We're not pushing it uphill anymore.
That's what we do at Core Power. We're creating a new industry. Now what we've got is an industry. When you ask what's happening to this industry is coming to life.